friends, how are you? Hope all of you are fine. Students, in previous videos we have started our chapter number first, integers, and we have completed exercise 1.1, 1.2, and we will do exercise 1.3 and we have completed its first to sixth question. Now today we will do the other questions. Now today we will do the question number 7. Now in a class test containing 10 questions, 5 marks are awarded for every correct answer and minus 2 marks are awarded for every incorrect answer and 0 for questions not attempted. आपको एक क्लास टेस्ट है, उसमें 10 क्वेश्चन है, 5 मार्क्स आपको हर एक करेक्ट आंसर के लिए अवॉर्ड किया जा रहा है, -2 गलत आंसर के लिए और 0 मार्क्स अगर आपने कोई क्वेश्चन अटेम्प्ट नहीं किया है. सो फ्रॉम दिस क्वेश्चन इट इज रिलेटेड. There are 3 questions. So first we do the first one. Mohan gets 4 correct and 6 incorrect answer. What is his score? So here students, first we write what is given to us. Like the total number of question is 10. Marks awarded for correct answer is 5. Marks awarded for incorrect answer is -2. And marks awarded for not attempted is 0. First is score of Mohan is equal to 4 correct answer plus 5 incorrect answer. So we write it 4 multiplied by 5 plus and 6 incorrect answer, 6 multiplied by -2. So it is 4 5 20 minus 6 2 minus 12 is equal to 8. So the score of Mohan is 8. Second one. Second is score of Reshma is equal to 5 correct answer plus 5 incorrect answer. So 5 multiplied by 5 plus 5 multiplied by -2. 25 minus 10 is equal to 15. Now go to the third one. Score of Hina. So here 2 correct answers plus 5 incorrect answer plus 3 not attempted answer. So we write it here. 2 multiplied by 5 plus 5 multiplied by -2 plus 3 multiplied by 0 is equal to 10 minus 10 is equal to 0. So students, here we complete our 7th question. Question number 8 is, a cement company earns a profit of rupees 8 per bag of white cement sold and a loss of rupees 5 per bag of grey cement sold. यहाँ पर कंपनी जो एक सीमेंट कंपनी वो 8 रुपये प्रॉफिट पर बैग लेती है वाइट सीमेंट जो बेचती है और लॉस होता है उसको 5 रुपीज़ का पर बैग ग्रे सीमेंट का जो वो बेचती है. सो हमें फाइंड करना है फर्स्ट द कंपनी सेल्स 3000 bags of white cement and 5000 bags of grey cement in a month. What is its profit or loss? Now before starting the question students, first we write what is given to us. So profit earned on each bag of white cement sold rupees 8 and loss on each bag of grey cement sold is rupees 5. So first one, what we find it ki what is the profit or loss if the company sells 3000 bags of white cement and 5000 bags of grey cement. So first we find the profit of white cement and loss of grey cement. So profit of white cement bags is number of bags sold multiplied by profit. Here number of bags is 3000 multiplied by rupees 8. So we get the answer rupees 24,000. Next, loss on grey cement bags. So number of bags sold and loss. So number of bags are 5000 multiplied by rupees 5 is equal to rupees 25,000. So here loss is greater than profit. So loss of company is rupees 25,000 minus rupees 24,000 and answer is rupees 1,000. The B option of that question is, what is the number of white cement bags it must sell to have neither profit nor loss if the number of grey bags sold is 6,400 bags. कि अगर ग्रे बैग्स जो बेचे गए हैं 6400 बैग्स बेचे जाते हैं तो व्हाइट सीमेंट के कितने बैग्स होंगे जिससे ना ही प्रॉफिट हो और ना ही लॉस हो. सो फर्स्ट वी फाइंड हाउ मच लॉस of the above number of grey bags sold. So number of grey bags sold is 6400 and loss on the above bags is 6400 multiplied by rupees 5. So the answer is 32,000. Now number of white cement bags most of sell to have neither profit nor loss. So here first the total loss on grey bags divided by profit on each white cement sold. So total loss on grey bags is 32,000 and the profit on each white cement bag sold is 8 rupees. So we get the answer 4,000. So therefore the required number of white cement bags would be 4,000. So here students we complete our 7th or 8th question. Question number 9 is homework to you students. Replace the blank with an integer to make it a true statement. Answer is given to you students, so you have to find the numbers of multiplication and write it here. So practice it and write 7th and 8th question in your notebook.